You've probably heard this many times. Recruiters don't care about your certificates, they care about your projects. And honestly, I used to say that until recently that I met one on one with some of my students, and there is something that many of them explained. They've been learning for like 3 months back, 6 months back. Some said that they've been learning data analytics 9 months ago, but that it's not been making sense until they actually had my class. And I asked them, why have you not been making sense? And I realized something. They come to YouTube or they use any material they get their hands on, but they do not have what is called structured learning. That is why it is very, very important to learn from a seasoned professional. Or if you don't want to learn from a seasoned professional, make use of platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and there are so many of them. Those platforms that issues you those certificates. It's true that recruiters don't care about those certificates. But if you're a beginner who is just transitioning into data analytics newly, please, you need those structured learning. Not for the certificate, but for you to learn the right way. Then, after learning with these platforms that will issue you certificate, you can then come out and start improving and advancing yourself. So, the saying always makes so many people not to care about using structured kind of learning, like using platforms or learning from seasoned professional, like people that host classes or that have cohorts. So, this saying has actually made so many people not actually seeing the positive part of it, that these platforms that issue the same certificates that recruiters don't care about also give you structured learning. So the purpose of this video is for you to understand that if you're a beginner, you need structured learning, not for the certificates, but for the knowledge and the guide for you to be able to break into the field successfully. So if you're someone who is planning to break into data analytics, it's better you use structured platform. Coursera, Udemy, EDX, there are many of them. Use them, do their courses for like 3 months to 6 months. Then you can continue doing projects, especially in the field, like in the niche you want to do in data analytics. If you've not seen the video where I explained the importance of niching down, like having a particular niche in data analytics, please check my videos, you will see it. The importance of niching down is that it will give you domain knowledge, because the projects you'll be doing will be around this particular niche, which will make your recruiters to know that you have the domain knowledge and you understand what their data looks like. That will help with your insights when analyzing these data sets. So back to recruiters don't care about your certificates anymore. Like I said, I'm not trying to say that that saying is not true, but when you're actually making the statement, always explain it very well so that beginners will not really misinterpret it and not go through the structured learning. Data analytics, yes, people see it as a simple field, but if you don't enter it the right way, if you don't learn it the right way, you might end up wasting months, the time you're supposed to have started working, started building your job experience. You're still out there learning because you don't have a structured learning. Yeah, another platform you can use is ALX. These platforms have structured learning. Or you can look for seasoned professionals and join their cohorts. Those kind of classes are very, very interactive. Whichever one you want to go with, that's okay. But please, don't throw away structured learning all in the name of you need to focus on projects. You need to understand how data analysis works before you will now go and start doing your own solo projects, which will help you build your portfolio. If you're trying to break into this field, if you've always loved tech, you feel like I don't know how to code, leave me a comment in the comment section and I'll give you guide, step-by-step guide on how you can break into tech through data analytics, the right platforms to use for your structured learning, and the kind of projects you can use to build your portfolio. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.